Wanyuma y'ehuriro yo kurwanisa obworo kutebwamu amaani omu disitulikiti ya Kazo, ori omunyeshengero wa Kazo Honorable Dan Tumwishikire Kimosho acwiremu kureeta abachina kuruga omuri China African Institute n'ekigendererwa ky'okwenda ngu beegyese abeebembezi kwiha abantu baabo omu bworo.
Orutindo hagati yaitu ka disitulikiti ya Kazo n'amahanga gandi n'ebicweka ebindi aho kuba baine universities zimwe zikukirayo kuhanga omu China kandi China ensi yoona hati muri China. So tutaho Orutindo ngu neita abana baitu nyenkyakare kuba baratandikye kushohora bazayo bashomoganyira obwengye bubere kunka bagashe baigure emigisha yitu nk'ekicweka nka Kazo ushange ubundi haine ebitukutunga eby'omutane ebikutwongera ahatunga.
Kandi hona yongeire yashoborera nk'oku abachina baine obwengye bwingi bw'okurwanisa obworo ngu ahabw'okuba bakabutuura mu kuheza emyaka 40 ngu nahabw'ekyo ebibakubashomesa nibaasa n'okwija kuyamba abaana baabo okuburwanisa nyentya.
Obwengye obukurwanisa obworo omu maka n'omu bicweka byaitu ahabw'okuba bo bagenzire emyaka 40 bakabaasa kwiha abantu miliyoni 8 omu bworo. That is kumurwenda 85 kuhika hati bayira abantu miliyoni 8 omu bworo. So kuba kwandi bakushomesa orenga eki bakushomesa nibakimanya bakikozere bakinemu obukugu. So nibyo twenda nite twege n'abaana baitu kuba bakutunga emigisha batunga ibyo kushomerayo nabo babyenge eje babikora.
Baitu nawe China kandi obeirori omwe habegesa ashobore ngu ihanga rishemerere kugira amakorro mengi ngo habo kuba nikikwera kwa abantu bari emirimo ngo kandi ebakukora babasa no kubishubura heri yihanga.
Manufacturing because the most important thing for job creation is manufacturing and the investment. Investment is also very important because they can do job creation. They can create jobs.
Kandi we Professor Yan kuruga muri China African Institute kandi obeire ori omwegesa mukuru ashobore ngo bworo bwaza kurwanisibwa n'abebembezi kubanza bamanya ekiri kuteganisa abantu babo bakaza ahansi omu byaro ngu konka kutari kuzayo kushisha obwire ngu kandi ege eshemerere kubera entebekanisa ya government.
This is the rich places. That's the poor places. Our government would like that people can live a happy life. And then give policies here, the young people, please go there for a certain time, not just for a short time to show. You should stay there, actually stay with the people in the village, to eat with them, to work with them, and use your knowledge for agricultural things, for manage things, to change the concept of their living there.
Baitu nawe ori mukuru w'entebe ya katano Reverend Samuel Mugisha Katugunda ashabira abebembezi kubanza kurwanisa obworo wabo batakaburwanise w'abandi ngu kibahwere kuba ekyo kureberaho kirungi.
Muraza kubworo n'imutego n'imwanyarisa nguma bashobora n'ugusima nguma eka kushisha ishaha ondita kugasara
daftar musho kusima bucyababirizo honorable member of parliament wetu kandi musho kuretera abachina bakatwegesa kukira munonga tokiyane gamba okwiha abantu mu boro ninga shikubiye hanso kabatungura
amakoraga gashakwa Sima Naume aba Sky Television agenshonga omurkazo.